Hi, I'm Melissa. I'm going to show you how to log into MyChevrolet Rewards. It's a neat way for you to earn and redeem points on services based on what you purchase here at a dealership. Let's get started. Once you're on MyChevrolet Rewards, you're going to go to the login button, which is in the upper right-hand corner. Once you're on this page, it'll show you your available points. It'll tell you how many points you have. If you need to change your profile, which is your address, anything associated with your account and vehicles, you can do that here. The next section is your vouchers. Once you go in and select a voucher, if you have not yet used it, this will show you what's out there left to use. For example, there's a $5 allowance voucher that I've chosen. I forgot when it expires, so you can view that. It'll show you down here in the right-hand corner the voucher number, which is very important to take with you when you go to the dealership or the parts department. This shows you the expiration, so you have approximately 30 days to use a voucher once you've selected it. This little neat section is for transferring points. If you and someone else in your household have two different accounts and you would like to gift some of your points to a member in your same household, you can do that here by selecting Transfer Points. Along the top, it'll tell you this is the dashboard, which we just went over. This is how you earn points. If you select that, you can find all the ways how you can earn points by using paid services, purchasing parts, purchasing vehicles, etc. When it comes time to redeem points, if you're ready to go to the dealership, you need service, and you'd like to use some of your points, you can go to Redeem Points. Here it will tell you how to redeem your points. If you select on Certified Service, because I'm getting ready to go to the dealer, hit Learn More and Redeem. Hit the drop down and it'll tell you how many points you need for the dollars. $5 is 1,000 points. So if I have 48,000 points available to me, or 47, I have $235 that I can use. I can choose whichever allowance I want. Remember, once you choose that, if you don't spend all of that at the dealership, you do not get cash back. So choose carefully what you want, the amount that you would like to redeem. The site's set up pretty easily for you. If you have any questions, you can do how it works. You can also do Find a Dealer. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, be sure to mention that to your service advisor. Let them know that you'd like to redeem some points, and we'll help you walk through it as soon as you arrive. Thank you.